Okay, why am I here? I am here to teach you about the industry in a nutshell. A lot of people write me, they text me, they write notes on YouTube channel, they're on my Instagram. Everyone's asking me about the industry. There's so many companies, there's so much information. How do I know which one to buy? Let me teach you about the industry in a nutshell. First of all, there's big box companies, there's sticker companies, and then there's professional grade companies. Again, there's big box companies, there's sticker companies, and then there's big box. Now I'm going to show you each of these in categories. The first is the big box. This is going to be sold at Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards. In fact, even Costco for a while sold some of these units. Now the dilemma with these units, if you can see, they're little. They're little teeny things. Now when you see them online, they look big, but they're actually little. They're little dinky little things. And they're all in one. So a lot of times we have problems with these because they reduce water pressure. They cause different issues. They don't last very long. The manufacturer gives a 1-year warranty. So it looks great on pricing because they run you about $700 for a water softener, $700 for a carbon filter, and maybe $400 for a reverse osmosis system. That sounds like a great deal. But keep in mind, the manufacturer gives a 1-year warranty. So that tells you that they really don't back the product a lot. So as the service center, as a company that actually can sell you one too, we're hesitant to do that because it reduces water pressure and they last maybe a couple years. So if you're gonna flip the home, that might be a great alternative for you. If you're looking to keep the home for a longer period of time, let's look at some of the other products. When you go online, the majority of the equipment you're going to buy the valve, we buy a tank, we buy the filter material, which is usually made in China, and the pricing hits a good price in between this and professional grade. But the truth of the matter is, we've taken a valve, we've taken a tank, and we put in filter material, and it might get you a couple years of life, maybe a little longer in life. And you can see they get a little bit bigger. But we have all these names. You got Johnson, Genesis, you have Iron Boss, Seahorse, you have Pro Series. Oh, Genesis is the big one right now because they say they're made in America. No, they're not. If I were to turn this around, you'll see that it says China on the inside. All they do is assemble it in America. Here we are in Lake Barrington, Illinois. I assembled them here. That does not mean they're manufactured here. It means that we assembled them here. And we're using less expensive products to assemble them. And we can put any name we want on it. And the reason why we call them sticker companies, because anybody can put their sticker on the outside and say it's theirs. Now, at Angel Water, we're a 50-year-old company. We give a 10-year warranty on the equipment we sell. That's right, 10 years, so we back it. But the truth of the matter is, everyone else, you're relying on what their warranty says. If you go online and you find some of these companies, Aquasana, any of these other big name companies out there, you're literally buying their product, they put a sticker on it, and away you go. You're hoping that they're gonna stay in business. So that's up to you as a consumer. Usually we see these lasting, around 4 or 5 years. So again, if you're gonna flip the home, that might be an alternative for you. They are not NSF certified. Let me say that one more time. They are not NSF certified. That means neither is the big box nor these certified. That means that the manufacturer or the assembler did not take the product, give it to National Sanitation Foundation to test it to prove its validity. Remember, National Sanitation Foundation will throw hundreds of thousands of gallons of water at a system and make sure that it's working, and it's certified to remove calcium. It's certified to remove radium-228, 226, barium. These are some of the great features that you can find from companies who will actually invest over about $100,000 to prove that their product actually does what they say they're going to do. And that's when we step to the next group, the professional grade. You'll find companies like Rainsoft, Kinetico, Eco Water, and Culligan. These are some of the professional grade companies. They offer usually a little bit better warranty. They are bigger in size. Take a look at some of these. They last longer. If I could show you the date codes on these. These are over 10 years old. You take a look at these, they're like 5 years. That's 2 years. That one is 1 year old. We have this thing that's not even a year old. And so these are examples about how companies that usually are sticker companies. These might be guys out of their garage, or they got a small little warehouse, and you're trusting them to be able to give you a good quality product. The thing is you got to do your homework. Again, one of the things I like to stress that we learned as we were while we were assembling products is that in order to keep the price point around $1,500, we had to move to Chinese products. And the minute we do that, the quality unfortunately did decline. And more importantly, there was no certification. So that's a decision you have to make. If your longevity is important, if making sure the water is more healthy for your family, I recommend start looking at the professional grade. We prefer Eco Water under the professional grade. If, however, you're looking to be able to just get your house along, make sure that you get some soft water for the next couple years till you sell it, probably this guy is the best alternative. If you're a little person that's single and you live out in a condo, you know what? The big box product might work well for you because it's only one person using the water. You might find that the big box works well for you. So what I hope is that this video has taught you the industry in a nutshell. And again, what I hope that you understand is the manufacturer sort of dictates how long the product's going to last. You can go with Eco Water on the one end, where they give you a 10-year warranty directly to the consumer, or you can come on the other end and you have big box products that give you a 1-year warranty. As a service center for all of this stuff, I just want to make sure that you, the consumer, choose what is right for you and your family. I'm Drew. You can always reach me at 847-382-7800. Drop me an email, comment on a YouTube channel, whatever you like, but we're happy to answer any further questions you have. Looking forward to serve you. Have a great day.